What's up and welcome back. It's TFT's channel. Today, Vivo sub-brand iQoo launched a new smartphone. Its name iQoo Pro 5G. Box looking same iQoo Neo type, but it's the 5G variant. See the iQoo Pro 5G. Okay, what's the inside of the box? The box is looking good, and box front said iQoo name printed. Box itself, the phone here is fully covered on the plastic wrapper. Okay, put the phone side. Lately, I am look deep side by side. More inside, one mini box here and side, and more box inside or mini box here, mini box inside, free case and some paperwork here. Okay, just a minute. It's little bit hard. Okay, free case and paperwork here. More headphone and it's iQoo branded new headphone and last AC adapter. It's 44 watts supported AC adapter and 50 minutes 0 to 100% charge. Vivo confirmed. Okay, overall everything here inside the box. Let's look the phone first. Okay, on the side of the box. Okay, guys. I'm just remove the plastic wrapper, then look the phone side by side. Okay, let's boot the phone and let's physical overview. The phone display is a 6.41 inches full HD plus resolution display. Display bottom side is small chin here and top side is a water drop notch display. Is a 12 megapixel front facing camera here. It's super AMOLED display, so the black color is looking really good and color quality is really amazing compared to LCD. AMOLED screen always best. Okay, just a minute. I'm connect the Wi-Fi and the minute. Okay, just be cool. Okay, let's overview the phone. Phone backside is a triple camera setup here, one flashlight and phone sender monster inside. Name here. Yep, this is a gaming phone, so this name tag, yeah, name tag is really good. And let's look the camera. It's a main camera. It's a 48 megapixel. Second one is a 30 megapixel ultra wide. Last one is the 2 megapixel depth sensor. And telephoto lens is much better, but it's okay. It's a 2 megapixel depth sensor here. This phone back pattern is looking good. It's a same as Redmi K20 carbon fiber design. Phone bottom side Type C port, speaker grills, and SIM card port here. On phone left side Google Assistant key and it's extra key. Phone right side volume maker keys and extra it's L1 R1 gaming bezel touch sensitive here. Phone top side is a 3.5 mm headphone jack here. Yeah, thumbs up for the Vivo because headphone jack is not removed. I really like this phone processor is the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor is the latest processor. This phone running on Android 9 latest version built on Vivo OS. Normal iQoo Pro price 31,000 and iQoo Pro 5G price 37,000. And I think it's the best value for money for 5G lovers. Normally now this time 5G phones price 80,000 to 90,000 only Galaxy phones available now, but